Hello, it's Peter from ZZIPP Media here in Weymouth, Dorset, UK. Today I am in Portland and at Fancy's farm, so come and join me. Good morning, yes, it's Peter again from ZZIPP Media here in Weymouth, Dorset, UK. This is my 20th video walk, and today, as you can see, I'm at Fancy's farm, Fancy's family farm here on Portland. So come join me as we're on the way to Fancy's farm now. Along this little road. I believe that Portland was the source of stone for many famous buildings in London. The St Paul's Cathedral and many of the big banking buildings down there in London. So, as you can see, it is pretty rough. The countryside is pretty rough down here. Okay, we'll just turn this corner and Fancy's farm should be on our left. Now we're coming to a signpost here. What does this say? A good old rustic signpost. Castletown, Coast Path, HM Prison, the Verne, High Angle Batteries, East Cliff. So if we continue up here, it's a bit of a walk if you're on foot. Yeah, I suppose it's a fairly easy walk if you're fairly agile, but it's probably best to come up here by car. I believe Fancy's farm are doing an appeal for winter foodstuffs, so I shall put their appeal process down there in the notes section beneath this video when it's online. That's the entrance to the Verne prison. That's the north gate. Sorry, the south gate. Looks very foreboding. There's a public footpath just down by the side there, which might be interesting. The free farm is just up this way. I believe Fancy's farm is free to get in. You can get refreshments there. And it's a great place for kids to go to experience farm animals. So we will experience them too, together. I believe Fancy's farm was built... Oh, there we are. We've got traffic coming in both directions now. I believe the Fancy's farm was built on the old Portland Rota land. It's quite a way. You can see over on the horizon there kind of very foreboding looking buildings. We're deep into Portland now, along the tops of Portland. Visitors parking, visitors entrance is right here. Fancy's family farm. 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. Snacks, drinks, ice cream. So, let's go. We can always have a cup of coffee and something to eat in a short while. Here we are, just entered Fancy's family farm, and we first see goats. And is that a wallaby? It wanna be, but it could be a wallaby sat out there. I don't know. We'll have to ask. Yes, that little one there is a wallaby, and there is another one. Can you see? Just by the fence there. There we are. It's in with the goats. So, yes, I've been told that I'm free to walk around just to see what's going on. So, first thing we go to, you can hear the goats behind me saying hello. First thing we can go to is, or goodbye, whichever way we are leaving them. So they are. And we come to the pigs first. Nice. And this is all on the top of Portland in Dorset. There are the pigs, Bonnie and Clive. Bonnie and Clive are Kuni pigs, a breed originally kept by my Maoris, by the Maoris in New Zealand. Hi guys. Oh, hello. We've got goats here. Yes, inquisitive, huh? Want to know what's going on? Let's have a look at what they say about you. Goats can range from white through to black with a variety of patterns and colours in between. You're following me. Hello? Yes, it's inquisitive. You want to know what's going on? Okay, let's have some ducks on there. It's all completely free to enter this place, the Fancy's farm. And I'm going to have a chat with one of the organisers about the fundraising they've got going on for winter feed for all the animals here. If you want to help out, I will put a link to the GoFundMe page under this video, so if you can lend a couple of bob, a couple of pesos or dollars to give them a hand, it's really a very worthwhile thing to fund. We got ducks here, geese. And a little one just having a look at a horse. All right, calm down. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. So we have a walk through this way. I think we go through these gates here, and there's a walk around. I just came through that gate there, and as you can see, there are some beautiful views over the sea. Lovely horses here, rare breeds I believe. Donkeys to my left. Electric fence, so probably best not to try it. Yes, it's a interesting place, interesting situation. I believe these buildings that you see in front of me now are part of the old rotor system here on Portland. If anybody knows anything else about them, leave a comment under this video. I'll leave the comments section open so you can leave a comment. Yes, it's nice. Look at those buildings way in front of us there. We'll walk up to the fence and see if we can get a view of the sea, of the As I say, this is my 20th photo walk from Weymouth. I'm actually in Portland at the moment, and this will be the final photo walk of this series, I think. I'll maybe do some more research on other walks I can do and bring the video photo walk concept back in the near future. As you can see, it's very close to the sea. Goats up there on the horizon. It's a remarkable place to keep going for free. You know, it's so if you're anywhere near Portland in Dorset in the near future, come up to Fancy's farm and see the animals. I've made an appointment to see one of the organisers here who will tell me all about the fundraising, so I'll go ahead and put that in here. The goats over there that you can see. Coming up on some lambs. Hi there. You okay? You're the chief, are you?
Thank you. Get back.
What they're saying is, I'm hungry. Can I have some food?
Hi, my name's Sue Wilsley. I'm one of the founders of Fancy's Family Farm on Portland. We're a community farm with an ethos for education and getting children out of their houses and interacting with animals and learning about the natural environment and where the food comes from. Fancy's Farm was founded in 2011 at the current site. We've been running since 2008. We provide work experience for out-of-work adults, young people as part of their college or school placements, and we also provide placements for adults with learning difficulties to work with animals in the farm environment. This summer has been particularly hard for us with the weather, and we're appealing to anybody out there that can help us. We've set up a GOFUNDME account to help us get through the winter so that we can keep the farm free to use for all comers for the foreseeable future.
Hello. It's okay. It's all right. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Come on. Hello, that brings to an end my video photo walks for this series. I've done 20 so far, so if you want to see them, look back in the feed and look for ZMPV series, the ZMPV, ZIPP Media Photo Video, okay? And if you have any more walks you'd like me to do, let me know and I'll put a map together. I'm looking for more things to do in my video feed later on, so if you have any ideas, let me know. So if you want to see any more of what I do, go to my website at www.zippmedia.com and click on all the links that are there. You can also support me on Patreon. You've just seen a little trailer there for that. You can buy my photographs on Etsy now. I'll put a link under this video so you can see all that kind of stuff, and support me on PayPal. All right, bye for now, and I'll see you in the next series of the Weymouth and maybe even Portland video photo walks. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.